Hey guys, welcome back. In today's video, we're diving into the top 5 best milkshake maker machines currently available on the market. Whether you're looking for a budget-friendly option or a premium powerhouse, we've got you covered. As always, you can find the links to all the products in the description below. So let's get started. At number 5, we have the Nostalgia 2-speed electric milkshake maker. This retro-inspired machine brings a fun, old-school ice cream parlor vibe to your kitchen. With a 100-watt motor and 2 speed settings, it's perfect for creating classic milkshakes, malted drinks, and even smoothies. The design is compact and lightweight, featuring a 16-ounce stainless steel mixing cup and a durable mixing rod. Its weighted base ensures it doesn't wobble during use, and the tilt-back head makes it easy to access the cup. While it's easy to clean, the smaller cup size might limit you to single servings, which could be a drawback for larger households. Performance-wise, it's best suited for light use. The 100-watt motor is sufficient for basic milkshakes, but might struggle with thicker ingredients like frozen fruits or heavy ice cream. At just $29.99, it's an excellent budget option for occasional milkshake enthusiasts or those who love a nostalgic touch. However, if you're looking for a more powerful or versatile machine, you might want to consider other options. Pros: affordable, retro design, compact and lightweight. Cons: limited capacity, struggles with thick ingredients. At number 3, we have the Hamilton Beach DrinkMaster electric drink mixer. Priced at $55.99, this mid-range option combines retro aesthetics with solid performance. Sporting an extra-large 28-ounce stainless steel cup, it's perfect for making milkshakes for 1 or 2 people. The tilt-back head and detachable spindle make it easy to use and clean, and the 2-speed settings allow for some versatility in blending. What sets the Hamilton Beach apart is its ability to handle not just milkshakes, but also coffee drinks, cocktails, and even pancake batters. Its 2.42-pound lightweight design ensures it doesn't take up too much counter space, while its chrome finish adds a touch of style to your kitchen. In terms of performance, the 2-speed motor provides smooth blending for most milkshake recipes. While it's not the most powerful machine on this list, it strikes a good balance between affordability and functionality. For casual milkshake lovers or those looking for a multi-purpose kitchen tool, the Hamilton Beach is a fantastic choice. Pros: versatile, larger capacity, retro design. Cons: limited motor power, not ideal for heavy commercial use. In the runner-up spot is the VEVOR milkshake maker with a single head design. This machine is a significant upgrade in both power and features, boasting a 375-watt motor with 3 speed settings. It's capable of blending drinks in just 12 seconds, making it ideal for busy households or light commercial use. The 820-milliliter stainless steel cup is both durable and easy to clean, and the intelligent microswitch ensures the machine only operates when the cup is securely in place. The LED timer display is a standout feature, allowing you to monitor your blending time for consistent results. At $159, this VEVOR model offers exceptional performance and durability. Its powerful motor can handle thicker ingredients with ease, making it perfect for milkshakes, smoothies, and even grain-based drinks. While it's a bit heavier and more expensive than the previous options, its advanced features and build quality make it a worthwhile investment for serious users. Pros: powerful motor, intelligent microswitch, LED timer display. Cons: higher price, bulkier design. Finally, taking the top spot is the VEVOR milkshake maker with triple heads. This is the ultimate powerhouse for anyone serious about milkshakes. With a massive 375-watt motor and 3 separate mixing heads, this machine can create multiple drinks simultaneously, making it perfect for commercial use or large households. Each of the 3 820-milliliter stainless steel cups is durable, hygienic, and easy to clean. The 3-speed settings allow you to customize your blending for different textures, whether you're making milkshakes, smoothies, or even rice-based drinks. The machine also comes with a 10-minute timer for added convenience. At $299.99, this is the most expensive option on our list, but it offers unparalleled performance and efficiency. It's ideal for small businesses, coffee shops, or serious home users who want to take their milkshake game to the next level. If you're looking for the best of the best, the VEVOR triple head milkshake maker is the one to beat. Pros: triple mixing heads, powerful motor, high capacity. Cons: expensive, large footprint. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope this video helped you find the perfect milkshake maker for your needs. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more in-depth reviews like this. To have questions about any of these products, drop them in the comments and I'll get back to you. See you in the next one.